Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math session. Today we are introducing exercise 4.3, question number 4, 5, and 6 of chapter 4, linear equation in two variables of class 9 mathematics. So let we start. So let's see question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as rupees y. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So in the question, it is given that total distance covered is x and total fare will be y, right? And for 1 kilometer, first 1 kilometer it is given as the fare is rupees 8 and the remaining distance it will be 5 rupees per kilometer, right? So we can see that x is the total distance, then the distance after 1 kilometer will be x minus 1, right? So fare after the first kilometer will be 5 into x minus 1. So according to question, we can say that the total fare is equal to fare of first kilometer plus fare after the first kilometer. That means y is equal to 8 plus 5 into x minus 1. That will be 8 plus 5x minus 5 means 8 minus 5, that is 3. So we will get an equation that is y is equal to 5x plus 3, right? Now after that we can solve the equation, that is if we are giving the value of x is 0, then y will be 3. If we are giving x is minus 1, then y will be minus 2. So the points we got 0, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and 1 and 8, right? So next you can see the graph here. X and y coordinates are first one 0 and 3, second one is minus 1 and minus 2 and third one is 1 and 8. So this is the graphical representation. Now let's see question number 5. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given in figure 4.6 and 4.7. Here you can see the figure 4.6. So for figure 4.6, the equations are given y is equal to x, x plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2x and 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. So from this we can see that which equation is applicable for this graph. Let's see. First one, the points are given in the graph are 0, 0, minus 1 and 1, 1 and minus 1. So we can substitute the values for the equation. So first one, y is equal to x. That means if we are taking 0 and 0, the answer will be 0 itself. Same way minus 1 and 1. So here both the sides are not equal, right? Minus 1 is not equal to 1. So equation is not satisfying. Same way 1 and minus 1. That is also not satisfied. Now second equation x plus y is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 that should be 0. Minus 1 plus 1 that is also 0. 1 plus minus 1 that is also 0. So second equation is satisfying, right? Let's see the third and fourth also are satisfying or not. Fourth one is y is equal to 2x. First one 0, 0 that is okay. Second one minus 1 and 1. 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1. That means 1 is not equal to minus 2. So equation is not satisfying. Third case 1 and minus 1. There also minus 1 is not equal to 2. So this equation is not satisfying. Now last equation, that is 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. Here also first one 0 and 0. Their left side we are getting 2 and right side it is 0. So it is not satisfying. Same way minus 1 and 1. That is also not satisfying because left side 5 and right side we are getting minus 7. Same way 1 and minus 1, that is also not satisfying. So we can say that only one equation, that is x plus y is equal to 0, satisfies all the points. So the equation whose graphs are given in figure 4.6 is x plus y is equal to 0. Right? Now let's see the second one. Second one is figure 4.7. Here the equations are given: y is equal to x plus 2, y is equal to x minus 2, y is equal to minus x plus 2, x plus 2, y is equal to 6. Here also we have to see which equation is applicable for the graph. Here the points are given 0, 2, 2, 0 and minus 1 and 3. Now we can substitute the values. In first equation, y is equal to x plus 2. So 2 is equal to 2. First it is right. But in second case, 2 and 0, it is not right because one side we are getting 0 and other side it is 4. So it is not applicable. Third case also it is not applicable because left side we are getting 3 and right side we are getting 1. Now at the same time, second one, y is equal to x minus 2. Here first case 2 is equal to minus 2, so that is not satisfied. Second case 2 minus 2, that is 0 and 0, that's okay. But in third case also it is not satisfied. Now let's see the third equation, that is y is equal to minus x plus 2. In first case 2 is equal to minus 0 plus 2, that means both the side it is correct. And second case 2 and 0, there also we are getting 0 and 0. And third case it is minus 1 and 3, means minus left side it is 3 and right side also we are getting 3. So in this case we can say that it is satisfying the graph, right? Now let's see the fourth one also, it is applicable or not. Fourth one, first case, in right side we are getting 6 and left side we are getting 4. So it is not satisfying. And second case 2 and 0, left side we are getting 2 and right side we are getting 6. So this is also not applicable. And third, minus 1 and 3, that is also not satisfied. So we can say that only the equation 3, that is equal to minus x plus 2 satisfies all the points. So the equation whose graphs are given in figure 4.7 is which equation? Y is equal to minus x plus 2. Right? Now let's see question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units, 0 unit. Right? Let's see. So here let the distance travelled by the body will be x and the force applied on the body be y. And it is given that the work done by a body is directly proportional. Right? So to the distance travelled by the body. So according to the question it is given that y is equal to 5x. 5 is a constant of proportionate. Here it is in the given in the question. Right? So solving the equation we will get x is equal to 2 units, then 5 into 2, that will be 10. So we will get y 10. So 2 and 10 first coordinates. And second, x is equal to 0, then 5 into 0 will be 0. So here we are getting both 2, 10 and 0 and 0. So the points to be plotted are 2, 10 and 0 and 0. Right? So here we are winding up this session. So thank you.